Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're enjoying the content that I have been creating, then please do consider subscribing to my channel, like today's video, share it with your friends and family, comment down below, and also hit on the notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. So guys, today I have created this makeup look for winters. Okay, believe me, it is super easy to achieve this look. बहुत ही like easy peasy look है. आपको like बहुत ही कम products चाहिए to achieve this kind of look. And you guys know that I love CANON products. So a big shout out to CANON. And आज मैंने ये सारे products use किए हैं. ठीक है, ये सारे CANON के products हैं. So I've used all these products on my eyes, face and lips. So this is a look which I have created for winters, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा. So if you are attending a wedding, ठीक है, या आप किसी पार्टी में जा रहे हो, कोई event attend कर रहे हो, and अगर आपकी खुद की भी शादी हो रही है, but you want something that is subtle. ठीक है, so you can create this look. So if you love to apply makeup on a daily basis and you like something that is glamorous yet a little subtle, ठीक है, I will recommend you guys to try out this look. Believe me, बहुत ही I'm actually loving this look. And आपके basic products ही आपको use करने हैं to achieve this look. So if you are loving this look, पता नहीं मैंने कितने बार look कहा है. So if you are loving this makeup look and if you want to know how to achieve it, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's begin. So first I'm going to scrub my lips, exfoliate my lips, because you guys can see मेरे जो lips है काफ़ी dry हो चुके हैं. So I need to exfoliate them. So for that I'm using Pilgrim's Squalene Blueberry Lip Scrub. This is a really nice scrub. It does a very good job of taking away the dead skin cells, and it smells delicious guys. It smells so yummy. My lips feel very soft and smooth now. So I'm done prepping my lips, and now let's prep our skin. So first I'm going to go in with my CANON's face serum. It is the 10% vitamin C serum. Okay, this one is for radiant glow and even skin tone. So once you start using this serum, you'll see that it gives a very healthy glow to your skin. Your skin looks very radiant and it evens out your skin tone. What does it say? Pat karna. So I've applied my serum now. It's a very lightweight serum and it instantly gets absorbed into the skin. It does not leave your skin greasy. Now let's apply our primer. So for my primer, I am applying my L'Oreal's Infallible Glow Lock Illuminating Primer. You guys know that I love this primer. I hope बहुत ही जल्द ये इंडिया में launch हो जाए, because I haven't seen this primer in India. Actually massaging it into my skin. So for my foundation, I am going in with my CANON's Daily Dewy Serum Foundation. It has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and niacinamide in it. Very beautiful foundation, extremely lightweight, and you can use it on a daily basis. It's a great everyday foundation. Guys, for my concealer today, I will be going in with these two. Okay, so this one is my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Golden Beige. जो foundation का shade है, that is Sun Beige. Okay, and this one Huda Beauty का जो है, it is the Overachiever Concealer. It is in the shade Graham Cracker. This one also gives great coverage. Let's set our foundation and concealer. I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Just going to quickly fill in my brows first, and then for my blush and highlighter I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm done filling in my brows, and मैंने ना अपना ये जो Charlotte Tilbury powder है ना, उसको थोड़ा सा अपने आईलिड्स पे भी अप्लाई कर दिया है, ओके, टू क्रिएट लाइक अ नाइस बेस फॉर आई प्रोडक्ट्स. नाउ लेट्स अप्लाई अ ब्लश. ठीक है. So for my blush, I'm going in with my KIRO's Glow On Blush Duo. It has rosehip oil and calendula oil in it, okay? And it is in the shade 0 to Perfect Pink plus Fresh Grapefruit. So let's apply this beautiful blush. Oh no, I'm actually going to go in with my bronzer first, okay? We'll apply the blush later on. So this one is my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. You guys know that I love this bronzer. Let's apply this bronzer with a Smashbox brush. ठीक है. Oh, this brush is so good, guys. It is beautiful to apply your bronzer, and you can apply your powder as well with this brush. इसका नाम क्या है? Sheer powder brush. Okay, it is so soft. It is just beautiful and fluffy and very cute. So I'm going to go in with the bronzer first, and then we'll go in with our KIRO blush. ठीक है. अब अप्लाई करते हैं अपना ब्लश जो है KIRO का. I've changed my blush application technique. Time to add some glow. Yes. So for my highlighter, I will be going in with my KIRO's Prism Perfect Highlighter. Again, even this one has rosehip oil and calendula oil. And it is in the shade 01 Sandy Rose plus Pearly Bronze. So we get 2 shades of highlighter. So for my skin tone, I will be going in with this one. So guys, before starting with my eye makeup, I'm going to quickly spray my Renee's Makeup Fix Setting Spray. So I'm just going to let it dry down completely, finish one side of my eye makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so let's begin with the eye makeup. तो ये मैंने किया हुआ है, बहुत ही easy look है, ठीक है. लेकिन थोड़ा सा मैंने वो touch of glam type कर दिया है. So सबसे पहले I'm going to go in with my KIRO's long wear brightening eyeshadow stick. It has vitamin C and mango seed oil in it. I absolutely love it. ये smudge proof, transfer proof, waterproof, बहुत ही अच्छा पेंसिल है. Now this one is in the shade Sandy Copper. मैंने बोला मुझे याद नहीं, लेकिन yes, it is in the shade Sandy Copper. Love it. बहुत ही प्यारा smoky look देता है ये. And then I'm going to quickly blend it, okay? Now I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm going to blend this eyeshadow further, okay? The reason I apply this bronzer is because I want some color. I'll tell you why. एक एज अ बेस मैंने इसे यूज़ किया, प्लस मैंने इसे ब्लेंड किया है अपने आई शेडो स्टिक को. नाउ आई विल बी गोइंग इन विद माई हाईलाइटर. ये KIRO का हाईलाइटर है, एंड आई विल बी गोइंग इन विद दिस डार्कर शेड जो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. सो नाउ ऑन टॉप ऑफ दिस ब्रॉन्जर आई विल बी अप्लाइंग दिस हाईलाइटर. अगर मैं हाईलाइटर डायरेक्टली अप्लाई करती ना, थोड़ा सा ग्रे दिखता, थोड़ा सा एशी दिखता. सो लेट्स गो इन विद दिस डार्कर शेड ऑफ हाईलाइटर. देख सकते हैं ब्राउ बोन पर मैंने लाइटर शेड ऑफ हाइलाइटर अप्लाई किया है, बट हियर आई एम अप्लाइंग दिस डार्कर शेड. और थोड़ा सा ब्रॉन्जर को ना यहाँ पे भी अप्लाई कर देते हैं, जस्ट ऑन आ लोअर लैश लाइन. एंड नाउ लेट्स ऐड अ पॉप ऑफ कलर. तो ये जो पेंसिल आप देख रहे हो, इट इज़ फ्रॉम KIRO अगेन. इट इज़ देयर हाई डेफिनेशन सूदिंग आई लाइनर पेंसिल. इट हैज़ विटामिन E and argan oil in it. It is in the shade Sapphire Blue. Love this blue. ये पेंसिल्स मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. ओके तो चलो थोड़ा सा ग्लिटर ऐड कर देते हैं अभी. सो दिस इज माई अर्बन डीके's हेवी मेटल glitter eyeliner, right? Yes, and it is in the shade Starfire. हल्का सा अप्लाई करते हैं. चलो आप कौन सा भी ग्लिटर यूज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. Okay guys, जब तक ये थोड़ा सा dry हो रहा है, let's apply a mascara. This is my L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Okay, let's be careful. I will be going in with my lashes. Now that step is completely optional. You can just apply your mascara and you can just leave it like this. लेकिन मुझे obviously lashes apply करना है, तो मैं lashes apply करने वाली हूँ. So I'm done with my mascara, so I'll just quickly wear my false eyelashes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm done with my lashes and now let's move on to a lip color. Okay, so first I will be outlining my lips with my ColourPop's lippy pencil in the shade Brink. Actually, I will be outlining as well as filling in my lips with this lip pencil. For my lips shade today, I will be applying my CANON's Super Butter Lip Lacquer in the shade 04 Nude Apricot. So it has Muru Muru and Kupuasu butter. I hope I pronounced it correctly because मैंने online देखा how to pronounce it. So if I'm not mistaken, it is called Kupuasu. Yes, so Kupuasu butter है इसमें and Muru Muru butter है, and it is in the shade Nude Apricot. Let me swatch this color for you guys. Oh, okay. These are pigmented. Okay, these are very pigmented. So look at the shade. Ooh, just look at it. It is so beautiful. Such pretty shade. How can we forget our powder? So let's apply this powder under our eyes, thoda sa. Now let's seal our makeup by spraying Renee's Makeup Fix Setting Spray.